Hey everybody, last video number 496, which I'll link up in the corner here. I sous vide cooked some Nathan's hot dogs, and they turn out okay, but it takes a long time. This time I'm going to do it a better way, which is air frying it. So I've got an air fryer right here, and we got it preheated to 400. And we're just going to basically just drop the hot dogs in the basket. Put my fingers off here. Alright, and I got my Proscenic air fryer that uses Wi-Fi, so we'll pull the app out. And if you want to check this thing out here, I'll put a link to Amazon in the description if you want to check it out. I'm going to go ahead and just turn it on. And I'm going to set it to 400 temperature for 3 minutes. Alright, and then we'll check back in 3 minutes here, and I'll show you how they turn out. Alright, now 3 minutes is up. So we'll go ahead and pull the basket out here. And I'll show you what we got. Let me just pull one of them out and get it in a bun here. I'll get that out of the way. Alright, and there's our hot dog. And of course you can put whatever you want toppings wise on it, you know, like mustard or ketchup or onions, whatever. So I just want to show you what the insides look like here, and you can compare it to the last video between this and the sous vide. This actually is a lot faster, and other than being a little greasier, it is pretty good. So that's what the hot dog looks like. Just zoom out a hair here. So that's what you end up with. And it tastes delicious, and it only takes a couple of minutes to cook instead of an hour like the sous vide method does. Yeah, so if you want to check out this air fryer, it's Proscenic, and I'll put a link in the description. And if you do have any questions or comments about this, please leave them in the comments. And as always, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny. And really, that's all we got. We'll talk to everybody later.